Hey health lovers! Are you ready to power up your plate and boost your body with some of the world's healthiest veggies? Today we're counting down the top 10 healthiest vegetables you must eat, and trust me, you'll want to add these to your grocery list today. Let's dive right in. Starting off strong at number 10 is the mighty garlic, the tiny bulb with big superpowers. This kitchen staple isn't just for flavor, it's basically nature's antibiotic. Garlic is packed with allicin, a compound famous for fighting off infections, reducing blood pressure, and even improving cholesterol levels to protect your heart. That means every clove you toss into a pan is working behind the scenes to keep your immune system sharp and your heart happy. But here's a pro tip most people don't know. After you chop or crush garlic, let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. Why? That little wait time activates the allicin and boosts all those health benefits. And the best part? Garlic fits into everything, from roasted veggies to soups, stir-fries, and even a simple piece of toast rubbed with a raw clove for a bold, healthy kick. It's one of the cheapest, easiest ways to level up both your flavor game and your health. Next up, holding strong at number 9, is the mighty onion, garlic's flavorful partner in crime. Onions are more than just a base for soups and sauces. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially a powerful one called quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation, support heart health, and may even lower the risk of certain cancers. Pretty impressive for something that costs just a few cents per pound. And here's the cool part, onions are great for your gut health too. They contain prebiotics, special fibers that feed the good bacteria in your digestive system, helping your body absorb nutrients and keep everything running smoothly. Don't forget their versatility. Whether you're eating them raw in a crunchy salad, adding them to salsas for a fresh bite, or slow cooking them until they're sweet and caramelized, onions bring flavor and health benefits to every single meal. So yes, they might make you tear up while you chop, but think of those tears as a tiny salute to the incredible health boost you're about to get. At number 8, let's give a round of applause to the veggie that went from childhood no thanks to gourmet superstar, Brussels sprouts. These little green powerhouses may look like tiny cabbages, and that's because they are part of the same cruciferous family. They're loaded with vitamin K for strong bones, vitamin C to boost your immune system, and a special group of antioxidants called glucosinolates that may help lower the risk of certain cancers. But here's the kicker, Brussels sprouts are also rich in fiber, which keeps your digestion happy and helps you stay full longer. That means they're not only tasty but also a natural ally for maintaining a healthy weight. If you've only ever had them steamed to mush, no wonder you weren't a fan. The secret is in the preparation. Try roasting them at a high heat with olive oil, sea salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper until the edges get crispy and caramelized. Add a drizzle of balsamic glaze or a sprinkle of parmesan, and suddenly you've got a side dish that even the pickiest eaters will fight over. So, if you've been skipping Brussels sprouts since you were a kid, it's time to give them another chance. Your taste buds, and your body, will thank you. Sliding into lucky number 7 is the vibrant, juicy tomato, a true kitchen superstar. Tomatoes are bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, plus a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, the very pigment that gives them their bright red color. Lycopene is famous for supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even lowering the risk of certain cancers, including prostate and breast cancer. Talk about a tiny fruit. Yes, technically a fruit, that packs a massive punch. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Cooking tomatoes actually makes them even healthier. When you simmer tomatoes into a sauce, the heat helps release more lycopene, so your homemade pasta sauce or tomato soup isn't just comfort food, it's a heart-healthy upgrade. Tomatoes are also rich in potassium, which helps keep your blood pressure in check, and their high water content makes them naturally hydrating. Snack on cherry tomatoes for a refreshing burst of flavor, layer thick slices on sandwiches for extra juiciness, or roast them with olive oil for a sweet, savory side. And let's not forget their global versatility. From classic Italian marinara to fresh Mexican salsa to Mediterranean salads drizzled with olive oil, tomatoes bring color, flavor, and serious nutrition to cuisines all over the world. So whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or blended into a silky sauce, adding more tomatoes to your plate is one of the tastiest and smartest moves you can make for your health. Landing firmly at number 6 is the ever-humble yet surprisingly powerful cabbage. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Cabbage is a true nutrient powerhouse. It's brimming with vitamin C to supercharge your immune system, vitamin K to strengthen bones, and a hearty dose of fiber to keep digestion smooth and your gut microbiome happy. This means it's not just filling. It's a natural way to help maintain a healthy weight and support long-term wellness. But there's more beneath those crisp leaves. Cabbage belongs to the same cruciferous family as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which means it contains glucosinolates, special compounds that your body can convert into cancer-fighting agents. Think of it as a natural detoxifier, helping your liver flush out toxins and keeping your cells in tip-top shape. Another bonus: cabbage is incredibly versatile. Eat it raw in a crunchy slaw, saute it with garlic and olive oil, or add it to hearty soups and stir-fries for extra texture and nutrients. And if you're looking to level up your gut health, try it fermented as sauerkraut or kimchi. Those probiotics are a game changer for digestion and immunity. It's also budget-friendly and lasts a long time in the fridge, making it one of the most practical vegetables you can buy. So whether you're whipping up a colorful salad or a warm winter stew, cabbage proves you don't need a fancy superfood label to deliver super results. Taking the number 5 spot is the veggie that brings a pop of color to every plate: bell peppers. These beauties aren't just eye candy. They're absolutely loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges, which means they help boost your immune system, keep your skin glowing, and support healthy collagen production. Bell peppers also come packed with vitamin A for sharp vision, vitamin B6 for energy metabolism, and a variety of powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. And here's the fun part: each color offers a slightly different nutrient profile. Red bell peppers are the sweetest and richest in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Yellow and orange peppers bring extra antioxidants and a milder flavor. Green peppers are little more grassy and slightly lower in sugar, making them perfect for savory dishes. Bell peppers are also naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making them a fantastic snack for anyone watching their weight while still staying satisfied. Slice them raw and dip them in hummus for a crunchy, refreshing snack. Dice them into salads, toss them into fajitas, or stuff them with quinoa and black beans for a hearty, nutrient-packed meal. Cooking tip: sautéing or roasting bell peppers actually brings out their natural sweetness. Try a quick stir-fry with olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt, and you'll unlock a depth of flavor that even veggie skeptics can't resist. So whether you're looking for a colorful side dish, a healthy snack, or a vitamin C boost, bell peppers are the perfect way to brighten your plate and your health. Coming in at number 4 is the incredibly adaptable cauliflower, the vegetable that can pretty much do anything. Yes, it's in the broccoli family, and yes, it's a total rock star. Cauliflower is loaded with vitamin C for a strong immune system, vitamin K for bone health, and plenty of fiber to keep your digestion running smoothly. But the real magic is in a compound called choline, which supports brain development, sharp memory, and even mood regulation. Think of cauliflower as a little brain booster in disguise. And let's not forget its superstar antioxidants, like sulforaphane, which help your body detoxify and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. That's some serious health power packed into those pale, unassuming florets. But what really makes cauliflower shine is its versatility. Craving comfort food? Mash it into a creamy alternative to potatoes. Watching your carbs? Turn it into cauliflower rice or even a pizza crust that's crispy, golden, and totally satisfying. Roasted with olive oil and spices, it develops a nutty, slightly sweet flavor that can convert even the toughest veggie skeptic. Want to take it to the next level? Try buffalo cauliflower bites for a game day snack, or blend it into a silky soup for a cozy winter dinner. You can steam it, grill it, bake it, or eat it raw in a crunchy salad. It's the ultimate blank canvas for bold flavors and creative cooking. So whether you're feeding picky eaters, following a low-carb plan, or just looking for a nutrition-packed upgrade to your meals, cauliflower proves that sometimes the most unassuming veggies deliver the biggest surprises. Snagging the bronze medal at number 3 is the undisputed king of the cruciferous family, Broccoli. This green giant is absolutely packed with nutrients. 1 cup of broccoli delivers more vitamin C than an orange, plus a solid dose of vitamin K to keep your bones strong and your blood clotting properly. Add in folate, iron, and fiber, and you've got a veggie that supports everything from your immune system to your digestive health. But the real secret weapon here is a powerhouse compound called sulforaphane. This natural antioxidant helps your body detoxify, fights inflammation, and may even help lower the risk of certain cancers. Studies show sulforaphane can also support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Pretty amazing for a simple stalk of green. Cooking tip: if you want to keep those nutrients at their best, avoid overcooking. Lightly steaming or quick sautéing keeps the crunch and locks in the vitamins. You can also eat broccoli raw with a tangy dip for a fresh, satisfying snack. And broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a culinary chameleon. Toss it into pasta for extra texture, roast it with garlic for a smoky depth of flavor, or blend it into a creamy soup that's as cozy as it is nutrient-rich. Even the stalks are edible and delicious. Just peel and slice them thin for stir-fries or salads. Whether you're looking to protect your heart, boost your immune system, or simply add more greens to your plate, broccoli proves that sometimes the classics are classic for a reason. It's easy to cook, easy to love, and always good for you. Claiming the silver medal at number 2 is the cool, crisp classic we all know and love, lettuce. Now, before you dismiss it as just salad leaves, hear me out. Lettuce, especially darker varieties like romaine, butterhead, and red leaf, is packed with vitamins A and K, which are key for strong bones, glowing skin, and sharp eyesight. It's also a surprisingly good source of folate, the B vitamin that supports healthy cells and can help boost your energy levels. Another big win: hydration. Lettuce is about 95% water, making it one of the most refreshing ways to stay hydrated, perfect for hot days or post-workout meals. And thanks to its low calorie count and high fiber, it helps you feel full without weighing you down, making it a go-to choice for anyone looking to keep their meals light but nutrient-rich. But lettuce isn't limited to boring side salads. Use large, sturdy leaves as natural wraps to swap out tortillas or burger buns. Hello, lettuce wraps. Or chop it into grain bowls for extra crunch. Pair it with citrus fruits, nuts, or even a sprinkle of cheese to turn a simple salad into a flavor-packed meal. Here's a pro tip: mix different varieties for the best texture and nutrition. Combine buttery Bibb lettuce with crisp romaine and a handful of peppery arugula for a salad that's anything but basic. So, whether you're layering it into sandwiches, wrapping it around grilled chicken, or tossing it with your favorite vinaigrette, lettuce proves that light and leafy can still be full of flavor and health benefits. It's the ultimate fresh, green foundation for endless meal possibilities. And finally, taking the gold medal and our number 1 spot is the creamy, dreamy avocado, a true superstar of nutrition and flavor. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart pumping strong. But they don't just stop at heart health, they're also loaded with fiber, which keeps digestion smooth and helps you stay full and satisfied for hours. And with over 20 vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and B vitamins, this fruit, yes, technically a fruit, supports everything from brain function to glowing skin. Here's a fun fact: avocados can actually help your body absorb nutrients from other veggies. Pair them with leafy greens or tomatoes, and your body can better absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. That's teamwork on a plate. And let's talk versatility. Slice it on toast for a creamy breakfast, mash it into guacamole for game day, dice it into salads for a buttery pop, or even blend it into smoothies and desserts for an ultra-smooth, healthy treat. Avocados are perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or honestly, any time you're craving something delicious and nutritious. So, whether you're a long-time avocado fan or just discovering this green gem, one thing is clear: adding avocado to your diet isn't just tasty. It's a simple, powerful way to boost your health, fuel your body, and enjoy life a little more deliciously. There you have it, the top 10 healthiest vegetables you absolutely need in your diet. Which one is your favorite? Or is there a veggie you think deserves a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more deliciously healthy tips. Eat green, stay lean, and I'll see you in the next video.